Are you a fabricator looking for a really good shop stool? Well, this Speed Pro Hex is exactly for you. So starting on the bottom of this stool, we got 5 heavy-duty casters. Now these casters are rated for 100 pounds each, or a total of 500 pounds. They're 4 inches in diameter. They have a very slim profile on the ground, allowing the chair to rotate and turn with very little effort. We have both a locking set and a friction option for it too. That way, if you're at your station and you want to lock the caster, you can do so and not move. And let's say you're in a shop where the floors are slightly uneven. These casters roll so easy, the chair will always roll away from you, and the friction discs will just allow the chair to have a little bit of friction to make sure it doesn't roll away every time you stand up. So those are 2 options you can add to the casters. We've tested them for many, many years and they work really well. Now going up from the casters, we have our base. Now the base is laser cut from 3/16 plate. It gets robotically welded together. And on this chair, we have a hex pattern designed specifically for fabricators. So if you're grinding, if you're welding, all of your slag, your spatter can all fall through the hex, but you can still use it for your pliers. Maybe small chunks of steel you can still put down here, and it makes it really useful and it stays really clean. And from there, we have a heavy-duty DOM tube assembly that makes up the vertical unit of this stool. Now the cool thing with the Speed Pro is that you have a lever and you can select the heights anywhere from 18 to 25 for whatever suits your needs. And it's as simple as grabbing the lever, lifting up, letting it go. It's all internal, so there's no external lever actions. The lever stays with the top of the stool as you spin, so it's super ergonomic and easy to use. And it's a pretty solid assembly. There's no rattling, there's no shaky parts. It's just one solid, heavy assembly that's never going to break. Now, obviously, one of the most important parts is the comfort and longevity of the seat on this stool. Now, we've opted for a heavy-duty buffalo leather, and we're holding it together with a good Kevlar stitch. It's pretty common in the fabricator world. You get a good shop glove, it's made with Kevlar stitch too, and that's going to make sure this doesn't unbind itself with heat, sparks, slag bouncing off the edge here, and it's going to make sure this lasts a long time. Now, we've got 3.5 inches of high quality dense foam, so if you're sitting on this for 6-7 hours a day, you're going to be really comfortable, and it's also going to last a long time too. Now on this chair, we have a couple options added to it. Obviously, because the backrest is a key feature for ergonomics and comfort. We got a mag plate in the front, so let's say you have your weld pliers, or maybe you have some nuts and bolts, but you can attach items to that very easily. We got a whip holder, but we're gonna keep adding options. We already have a bunch of options, so you can make this chair exactly the way you want it for your application. At the end of the day, we're just trying to make a high quality shop stool for people that use it for multiple hours a day. Option it the way you want, leather color options, and you'll have something that lasts you a long time. It's not a light chair, it weighs a little over 60 pounds, but this will be something that you have around for years and years. If you got more questions about it, see more at fastfreddyco.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, give us a big comment and a subscribe. We appreciate it.